Another domestic violence. This one happen for people where, in fact, these ones they just marry. Okay, not too recent, but they don't they marry. And the people where they talk to na about na Bigger Ben and Chidima. This man wey marry this woman with him own money, oh, he give her ring, everything. My people, before you know, and so we start the year, post pass, just a beat the woman, beat the woman. And this thing where they tell you like this, it don't they happen since. And the family of this woman wey dey in question now, they even they support the man. Like they tell the man, say no, we no wan make you leave her pikin. No, if the daughter even complain to the mother, because she don complain several times, say mommy, this thing dey happen. No, the mother go dey tell am say, hey, I no wan make you lose your husband. I no wan make you do this one. In fact, my people, if una see this girl mouth, if I even dey look for how I go even describe, I no dey see am. Blood full everywhere. The beating they massive. Her hand everywhere. Just they bloody. Now I say make her bring and come. So that now go see what they talk about. So for now, when no Chidima had the man just discorticize. Join me, make we watch the video.
Uncle Yezu. Uncle Yezu life.
You shock una? Una no go believe say even doctor wait, this girl go doctor, he go see doctor say, oh yeah, treat me. The same doctor even they tell am say, no report the case, no snap picture, no poster online. This doctor. No be even that one I come for na today. The main one now be say this girl come outside. I have reconciled with my husband. Wait, please, you people should leave us because say this one. Person will marry person. Wait to say you love her. So I beg, before I go talk with me, I won't talk. Join me, make we listen to Madam Reconciliation.
Please, I've settled with my husband though. I've settled though, because
I have settled with my husband. We have settled. Your foolishness, you know the dictionary. In fact, I dey try check because I don't just understand. Some people just dey fall in love mumu way. Which school na they learn this love from? Because me, I no go that school and I refuse. In fact, I want be illiterate. If not like this, they love. No, make you continue to dey settle, Madam Settler. You go settle with your husband until one of your eye disappear. Then you go no say you still dey settle matter. They scatter your mouth finish. My people, this girl mouth, you know understand? She no even fit talk that time. The thing there, you know if she won't talk like this, and so the thing go dey pain now. They even guys use wetin they call that thing metallic inside the mouth. Now they come outside. We have settled. I have settled with my husband. Since you know say you go settle with this your husband, madam, why you make am public matter? You for just collect the beating in private, keep and swallow and endure am. Why you bring her outside? She even involve bloggers. She just dey beg bloggers, say, abeg oh, help me share this matter oh, my husband want to kill me oh, egba me oh. You share am to bloggers finish. Now, you don't make am our business. Now, wetin I always dey talk with this. Now, they come outside, they tell us, hey, you have settled with your husband. See, now I know they like they put my mouth for all these wedded and couples things. I know just they like am because see, my people, you go just become third party. And this one, as it don't happen like this, all the people where they involve, both the bloggers, both the gas blog, all of them, now they go become enemies. If you don't say you put your mind, because they go use you settle. Before you know am now, when they don't settle, they don't dey on top bed, they jiggy. They go come and so the husband go come start, baby, who were those people that were telling you, leave this man? Leave. By the time you start to mention names, that man go come start to attack them. They go use you settle. You know, see, I don't tire for my gender. Women, hi, I don't tire. See, woman feel almost die now. Just rubbing head, baby, I'm sorry. She go forget. She go forget say na in fact say they just plan for burial. They almost plan for a burial. She go just forget am. We just sabi embarrass ourselves. Now this kind of behavior they make people say they just make up their mind say for this life I no go help anybody again. Because of people like this, you go bring matter, we go use our energy, our money, our data, our everything. They propagate and they look for help for you. Then you go start, they come outside, they disappoint us, they bring. I mean, we will start to mind our business. Oh. Now wait till I just discover my people. It better me will start to mind our business. Because I don't know when women go learn say, any man will hit you first, he go hit you second, he go hit you third. Like that. Till that death do you part. Now you remember that death we una do for church. I will love you till death do us apart. It go dey beat you till that death come. I no just dey understand. Your mama self no even see. Hey, women, start to learn. Oh, learn to stand and fight for yourself. Because this life when we come now, you're on your own. Nobody go. You come alone. Oh. When your mama they push you out, you come with person. Even twins they come one after the other. You don't see twins where they come once, except to save those ones, they get one problem like that, where their head joined together. Normally, twins, even one go first come before the other one. You are on your own, learn to dey fight. See, not be everything your family go support, but you on your own, you suppose not say, this thing no dey good for me, this thing dey good for me. Even doctor. See, una suppose open una eye. Normal level. Woman wey marry man, where the man dey beat her, where the woman family dey against the man still dey beat her. Not to talk of you, where your mama even dey support the man where they beat you. Your brother, matter even reach me say they get one time where they beat am, the brother go, where the brother they try intervene, they fight. Now so this woman husband bite the brother finger. He bite am. The finger when they do like it they shake. You feel say this thing they almost they fall. Now that one now you they come outside. I don't just understand. Hey, Chineke me. Who do women this thing? Who do us this thing? We need to start revive. In fact, may all night start prayer meeting. Every woman continue they do love. Hey, love. He loves me. I love him. He this one. He that. For how much? This one now, if you check and save, how much they get? How much this man get? We won't come kill you. See, I know people where if you see the kind lavish where they lavish them with money, yet the man no they touch them like this. Money, you small gown where they just buy you one red gown for Valentine. The thing don't turn your head. Just anytime when you remember that gown, maybe I forgive you. How much gown? See, money did this life. Make una stop they do management. I want to manage. No, they manage for toxic relationship. Because no, they manage. Oh, people wey manage today, we know where they dey. We do their burial last month. They manage. When they remove that your eye, I still dey talk. Now that time you go know say, you know they train. You know they correct man wey don't grow. Because they no fit change. E get people where if you see them, you know say this one fit change. My people see beating a woman, you no fit change from that habit. Oh. The first day when you try am, it be like one spirit something. Na addiction. Any small thing where the woman just do, you go just one start the. Abeg, dey very careful, because careful who una dey choose as partners. Careful who una dey. In fact, this marriage thing. Anyhow, since many of una don't take as achievement, say una go to say, if I leave now, what will people say? That statement, You don't send many people to their grave. So if you like continue, what will people say? Better make you walk out alive, make people talk, than make you die in silence. Very, very important. Now I say make I bring this matter here now, because this woman, she don't put me to shame. I waste my data, they propagate, they say, in fact, even they insult the man up and down. Now see am, I don't shut up. My people, I beg, listen to this word. A word is enough for the wise. And if you don't say they watch me, you dey inside this kind of thing, walk out. Walk away, very, very important. You understand? Now the matter be this, my people. So start to drop the comment anything you guys talk concerning this woman. And make sure say you share this video so that everybody go know say they need learn to mind their business. And subscribe if you never subscribe. Click on that notification bell so that you no go miss anything we get for you. Stay tuned for our next story.